guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today we're doing a current favorite slash haul. I don't know, I have like a ton to show you that I've been either buying or loving for the past month and a half, and I'm so excited to share everything with y'all today. I'll have everything linked down below. Follow me over on TikTok. I'm gonna be posting a ton of birthday prep for Olivia's birthday and just random things I'm loving, and of course follow me on Instagram for more. Subscribe for more, and let's get into it. I need to know if anyone else has an obsession with matches just like I do, specifically like cool looking vintagey match boxes. Got this one for Anthropologie. It's been in my save for later for so long, and I was not expecting it to be this big. I'm obsessed with it, but recently I started collecting matchboxes from restaurants. I know it's like a thing, but for some reason Houston restaurants are not getting the memo that they need to make cool matchboxes, so I'm collecting them. But this is for my office, and I thought it was so freaking cool. I feel like this year I really got into cream products. I was using a lot of like higher end like nude sticks and things like that. Then one day I got this blush from Amazon. I think I paid $6 for it. One person told me they sold it on Temu, so I got another color. This is Wiper Ritual. The point is, I'm obsessed with this. I need to do a Temu favorites. On Temu they're like $3 instead. This is the Temu one. And I got their contour, which is what I'm wearing on my cheeks today. Light to medium. It is pretty dark, but it blends like a dream. They all do. Look. Even the dark blushes, like a freaking dream, y'all. They're so creamy and pigmented. And then let me show you the contour. Like, do y'all see that? It's just insane to me how good quality they are. So if you're looking for like super inexpensive cream products, I mean, like, it just blends seamlessly. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with espresso martinis. It's like a 2-in-1, you know, the fun of alcohol and then amazing energy that espresso gives you. It's my favorite drink. So when I saw this, I saw it on a TikTok. I ran to Etsy and I bought it. This Etsy shop makes really cool needlepoint pillows. They're not too expensive, especially compared to bigger brands. I love how they actually have a zipper, so if they get dirty you can definitely like wash them or spot clean them. They're so soft on the other side. This is like the perfect little addition to my office. I love it. I guess I'm just gonna show you a ton of office decor. I love H&M home decor. I've really stopped myself from buying a ton, especially the last few months, because I have so much clutter in my house. But when I saw these bookends, I had to grab them. They're like their iconic stone look. They're very nice quality, and they just look so freaking pretty. I love these. I think they were like $12 each, which is such a steal. I think it was in my last video, like my last favorites video, that I showed y'all my newest obsession, which is buying monogrammed embroidered clothes from AliExpress. I got another order, so I thought I would show you. They're releasing right now their fall and holiday collection, which I know it's really early, but I'd rather have it now and be prepared. This is just like a cutie little romper that says Olivia and has the bows on both sides. $17 with the monogram included, okay? Then I got her a ton of ballet inspired outfits. I got all of these in a size 3T, so they fit her for a while. I just couldn't resist this sweet little dress. I thought it'd be perfect for later this year when it gets a little cold. This little ballerina romper, oh, it's so precious. I cannot wait to see Olivia in like a cute little dancing outfit. And then this little quarter zip pullover, once again for dance. Look at this cutie fall set, okay? It comes with the little long sleeve bodysuit and then the little romper with the scarecrows. I thought this was the most darling thing ever, and I always link them on my like to know it and do unboxings on TikTok when I get them. But if you have a little girl, actually a little boy too, they have really cute boy rompers. You have to check out AliExpress. I guess I have like hyperfixations and I have to collect things sometimes. One of those things being Anthropologie glassware, specifically their juice glasses. So they release seasonally, I guess, these glasses, and every design is different depending on the season. First started collecting them, they were super hard to get, sell out so fast you couldn't even get them. Recently they put them up for pre-order, and y'all, I'm so excited. So my collection has grown quite a bit since I last talked about them. All of those have been restocked, and now they have new colors. So this was their Valentine's Day one, and then they just released them in blue, in white, and in like a pearly pink. You better believe I snagged those up. They also have the bees, the rainbows, the clovers, the evil eyes. They have so many cute ones, plus like the 3 new Halloween designs. So I would grab them now if you've been wanting them. I told y'all back in like February that I would tell you when they're back in stock, and they're back. I love that cowboy boots have made this like huge resurgence comeback this year because of the coastal cowgirl aesthetic. I don't know, sometimes I say these TikTok terms like y'all know what I'm talking about, and sometimes y'all are like, what the heck is that? I said coastal grandmother in my last video, and someone was like, what even is that? And I guess if you're not on TikTok, or you're not on my type of TikTok, you're probably like, Philo's crazy. And that I am, but not the point. Basically, it's like dressing coastal with accessories or hints of like cowboy aesthetic, like Western aesthetic. So back to the point, I'm so glad cowboy boots are very popular in the universe now. They're always popular here in Texas, and they were when I was in college in Louisiana, but now I can get my hands on like really cool ones. These are from Dolce Vita. They are the coolest boots I've ever seen. I love the color, I love the texture. I wore them on my birthday with a dress, and that's like actually my favorite way to wear these, like with dresses. Y'all, I got them from TJ Maxx for not even half the price. Like, they're so inexpensive, they're perfect if you're not shopping at TJ Maxx. Had to share these. I also got some in black that I haven't decided if I'm gonna keep. Let me show them to y'all so y'all can help me. The other shoe that I need to talk about is a well-loved, adored shoe. These dad sandals that I got this time last year, maybe like early summer last year. My God, the most comfortable, the most flattering, the most go with everything. Like, even though they're raffia, you would think they wouldn't go with like absolutely everything. I probably could get away with wearing this together. They're so versatile, they're so comfy. I mean, I wear them every single day this summer. I should probably clean them at this point. I'm obsessed. I have all 3 colors that were available last year. I have the black and the white and the raffia. I wear the raffia by far the most. But y'all, if you haven't tried these, please do yourself a favor. They're very, very inexpensive. They're pretty true to size. I think I got a size 37. And everything is adjustable, so if you have like a more narrow foot, you can wear these. If you have like a wider foot, you can adjust them. If you're pregnant and your feet are growing, you can also wear these. I just highly, highly recommend them. I thought I would show y'all this. I got some PR from Function of Beauty. This is their curl collection, and it's available at Target. So I got their curl cream, their curly hair leave-in, I believe. Yeah, this is like a styling, detangling spray. I'm definitely gonna use this. If you don't know, I have pretty like curly hair under all this heat damage, so maybe if I decide to go natural eventually. Conditioner, and then this is the shampoo. But what I think is really unique about Function of Beauty is that they add, or they have these additions, which is so interesting. So these are just like boosters, I guess. So you can add a deep conditioner, anti-frizz, this is shine, which I could definitely use, and then this is curl definition. So my husband has curly hair, Olivia looks like she's heading there too, and then my brother, so I can definitely like split this with them. Okay, I have more hair stuff because I went ham on Olaplex. Y'all, they were having such an insane deal. You basically bought 3 products full price, right? So I think I paid $90 total. You got 4 for free, something like that. Let's count. So I got the number 8. This is a moisture mask. I've only tried a few of these. The nourishing hair serum. I wonder if I can put this on right now. Another number 8. I got this one for free. Number 6. This is the leave-in treatment. The number 3, which is their hair protein mask. The clarifying shampoo, which I'm so excited to try. Their conditioner, and then another like intensive bond building hair treatment. All of this for 90 bucks when it could have easily been almost $200. So if they ever have that deal again, I will be sure to post it on my Instagram. But I'm very grateful a TikToker posted it because I ran to Olaplex. I told all my friends, and now I have Olaplex for the rest of my life apparently. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed these like hauls and current favorites, definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Have some very exciting news coming up, so stay tuned and subscribe. I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.